What time nagadaan ng clouds mo?
Morning na siya, sir.
Joke lang.
Depende na siya sa weather.
Corn sulog, hot sulog, juice sulog, bang sulog,
Bulad sila.
bulad sulog,
For sure, ikaw, coffee ka man talaga.
Oo.
Akin,
Very
Milo.
available as speaking to assist po
bang sulog, hot sulog. Ano yung corn sulog, mais?
Corn beef.
Ay, corn beef. Sorry. Sorry.
Siya kay Ma'am Taze. Almost 6 hours ang biyahe.
Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Bang sulog lang siguro ko.
Sige. Ako, kay... corn guro.
Oh, corn beef na lang.
Tapos, coffee and Milo po.
Plain rice ito, ma'am. Fried rice po.
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
Fried rice ang duha, ma'am.
Apo. Serving time.
Serving time for tomorrow's breakfast, ma'am, is 7 to 9 po. Anong oras gusto niyo kumain?
7 na lang guro para dili good siya rush, no?
Seven.
Assalamualaikum! Join us for part 2 of our journey to this amazing Japanese-inspired mountain resort. We want to take you on a tour of the stunning Buda Mountain Ridges. We opted for their most affordable room, the Pine Villa, which is good for 2 packs only. So the room rate is 4,500 pesos on weekdays and 4,950 pesos on weekends and holidays, which is included na doon yung breakfast, entrance, Wi-Fi, and pool access.
CR check.
Cutie!
At syempre, dahil OA tayo, nakapag-outfit change na si Madam. They also have other activities like koi fish feeding and bonfire. Now, if you're thinking of going here and bringing your own food, please note that, there might be a corkage fee pero hindi ko alam kung magkano. But don't worry, they've got authentic Japanese restaurants and Ichigo Cafe on site. And their food is a bit pricey, yes, but the servings and the taste are totally worth it naman. Additionally, the staff are super friendly pa.
Stephen Kare.
Insert.
For bookings and other inquiries, just head to their Facebook page, guys. I'll just write a comment down below. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on our next vlog. Bye bye!